So they're set to go. 1,200 metres to complete it. The Lindsay and Sharon Lane set. Racing. Away they go. My Kind of Colour quick out again today, going for the early lead, and will get it for Riddler. More Dreams trying to hold it out, doing a good job of that, and Cooper's Shout's right up there. Our Romeo the inside. Rules of Engagement, the grey's on a forward move in the orange colours. And Retain Belief is back at the tail, but only about 3 off the lead, where My Kind of Colour inside the 850, the Pilot, let a length in front of Rules of Engagement. They're nice and compact here. Around the outside goes Retain Belief in a move, and just off those Cooper's Shout fourth, who's outside More Dreams in the pink colours. Now Romeo, the tote favourites, back on the inside at the tail. Inside the 6, My Kind of Colour, the Pilot, just shading Rules of Engagement. Retain Belief goes up to make a line of 3. It's a good charge to the turn. Cooper's Shout ridden along in 4th spot from More Dreams. Now Romeo's got plenty to do at the tail as they turn the bend, and My Kind of Colour the inside from Rules of Engagement, who serves it up on the outside. Retain Belief wider out's coming into it nicely. It's Rules of Engagement, Retain Belief. Rules of Engagement the inside, Retain Belief. Mark's getting into Retain Belief on the inside. Rules of Engagement for Berkshire, and she's looking for a treble, and she's going to get it, will she? Retain Belief dives. Here's a go, Retain Belief. Retain Belief gets it over Rules of Engagement in a great finish. Third will be My Kind of Colour, and then More Dreams well back then to Cooper's Shout knocking up, and the Fave Our Romeo back towards the tail.